Hello everyone. I am Srishti Punyarthi from Master Studio, professional design entrance exam coaching and software training classes from Badlapur. Yes, of course, we believe that every great successful design is begin with an extraordinary unique talent. As we all know that those individual talents are most valuable to our society and for us. Our core value is to secure and train those individual talent. For that, we design our course program like that way only. We classified it into three main categories. Those categories are as follows. First one is professional design course entrance exam coaching. Second one is software training and third one is classroom coaching. So let us discuss those three main categories in detail. First one is professional entrance exam coaching. If any students who wanted to become an architect, they need to clear entrance exams such as NATA, that is National Aptitude Test in Architecture, for Mumbai University. And for IIT Bombay, students need to qualify with JEE Advanced or JEE Main Paper 2 or GATE AR. For CEPT University, they need to crack their in-house entrance exam, CEPT, that is Center of Environmental Planning and Technology. If any students who wanted to complete their masters in architecture, they need to go for MSCIT course. If any students who want to qualify with interior designer degree course, they need to crack NID, that is National Institute of Design entrance exam. For fashion designer, NIFT had to be cracked by students. For footwear designer, they need to go for FDDI course. AIEED, UCEED, SEED are those common design entrance exams which help students for applying in any design course. So now we will talk about our second course, that is software training. This program is specially designed for designers to enhance their digital skill. It helpful for their academic and also for their professional practice to impress their faculty member, jury member and their professional client respectively. AutoCAD 2D, Revit architecture, like that software is used by architecture students, interior designer students, engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electronic engineer or any structural engineer to make their 2D floor plan and sheet presentation. 3D Max or Google SketchUp are those software is useful for making that 2D plan into 3D visual and for rendering it, that is formatting its realistic image. V-Ray and Lumion software is used. Photoshop software is used for rendering that 2D floor plan, elevation, section view of that plan and also for the sheet presentation. For graphic designer, Photoshop is used for photo editing, merging of that photograph. Illustrator is used for logo making, sketches or illustrated content of website. InDesign is used for brochure making, advertisement content making, public newspaper content making, comic making. XD software is used for website content making. CorelDRAW is used for banner making, advertisement making or any product making. Blender 3D, Cinema 4D, Character Animator, Adobe Animate and After Effects. Those software are used for animation and video editing of that character or that content. So now we will talk about our third course program, that is classroom coaching. In this session we are guiding students as per their academic syllabus and preparing them for their further professional platform in this competitive world. Sound interesting, no? So let me elaborate you how Master Studio performing those activities. Take one example of architecture students. Architecture is 5-year bachelor degree course. In those whole 5 years, we are always besides you for your all subjects. Especially we are focusing on university exam year and final year for any queries or detailed discussion or any kind of guideline. Master Studio is always with you. Same as for interior designing course. This is 3-year bachelor degree course and 4-year master degree course. In those academic year, Master Studio helps interior designing students for preparing their academic portfolio and also practicing them with our live projects for their better understanding. Because architecture and interior designing are those professional degree courses, so that we need more practical and up-to-date knowledge of current market scenario. Fine Arts is the artistic degree. This is 4-year degree bachelor course. In those 4 years, students need guideline of how to make their antique products or artistic product and also selling them in the market. For that, we are arranging workshops, seminar, exhibition platform and other career opportunity for them. Also, we are conducting Vastu Shastra training lectures and seminar platform. In this platform, we coach students what is important of land, how it is fruitful for their client, or if any plot is little bit tricky, then what is ready are useful for it. It will explain in detail. Dash program is main program. In this, we are guiding students for their final thesis or design dissertation program. In that, we are guiding students from how to make their black book, what kind of project to be selected, how to justify it, site selection and justification, case study program, project proposal, design process stages, final design product, also helping them for their panel making and how to deliver this project in front of their faculty and jury member in their final jury. This is short introduction of all our 3 courses. If you feel this introductory video is helpful for you, do like it. If you have any queries, doubt or suggestion, you can comment below in comment section. For more detail, you can visit us on below given details. For our further video will be contain each course program in detail discussion. For that, be with us. Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you guys.